Today, we're addressing a topic that's often overlooked: how to gain weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Whether you're looking to build muscle or simply improve your overall well-being, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Assess your current diet and lifestyle. Before we jump into the specifics, it's essential to assess your current diet and lifestyle. Take note of your eating habits, exercise routine, and daily calorie intake. This will help you tailor your approach to healthy weight gain. Step 2. Increase caloric intake with nutrient-dense foods. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals. Include healthy fats, lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Step 3. Eat more frequently. Instead of 3 large meals, try eating 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. This can make it easier to consume a higher number of calories and ensures a steady supply of nutrients for your body. Step 4. Incorporate protein-rich foods. Protein is crucial for muscle growth. Include protein-rich foods in each meal, such as chicken, fish, beans, and dairy products. Consider protein supplements if needed, but always prioritize whole food sources. Step 5. Strength training and exercise. Pairing a weight gain diet with strength training is a powerful combination. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses to build muscle mass. Consult with a fitness professional to create a tailored workout plan. Step 6. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, including during weight gain. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider adding healthy beverages like smoothies or milk to increase calorie intake. Step 7. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your progress by monitoring your weight, muscle gains, and energy levels. Adjust your diet and exercise routine accordingly to ensure steady and healthy weight gain. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to gain weight in a healthy way. Remember, it's not just about increasing calories but making smart, nutritious choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know in the comments if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Until then, take care and happy gaining.